Python is famous for clean code, but today I'm showing you 7 Python one-liners that will make your code look like absolute magic.
Swapping variables. Whopping variables. Forget creating a temporary variable. In Python, just do a comma b equals b comma a. Done. Python evaluates the right side first and swaps them instantly. List comprehension. Filtering lists. Instead of writing a 4-line for loop to filter even numbers, condense it into one line with list comprehension. Evens equals open bracket x for x in range, open parenthesis, 10, close parenthesis, if x modulo 2 equals 0, close bracket. Clean, readable, and super Pythonic. Reversing. Strings. Number 3, reversing a string. Don't write loops. Just use slicing with a negative step. Reverse underscore text equals quote, Python quote, open bracket colon minus 1 close bracket. That colon minus 1 tells Python to read the string backwards. Flattening a 2D list. Flattening a matrix. Turn a nested 2D list into a flat list in one line using nested comprehension. Flat equals open bracket num for row in matrix for num and row, close bracket. No need for external libraries. Merging dictionaries. Merging dictionaries. If you're on Python 3.9 or newer, just use the pipe operator. Dict3 equals dict1 pipe, dict2. It combines both dictionaries effortlessly. Palindrome Checker. Number 6. Palindrome Checker. Check if a word reads the same backward in one line with lambda. Is palindrome equals lambda, word equals word, open bracket colon minus 1 close bracket. Returns true or false automatically. Instant web server number 7. Instant HTTP server. Need to share local files? Open your terminal and run. Python-mhttp.server 8000. Boom. Your local files are now live on localhost 8000. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more quick Python tips. See you in the next one.